Hey guys, we're back and live at 6:48, and we're running the second mini for Mike's DT Luke. There it is. I think this closes her out. I got 100 spots. I believe top 10 win spots in the main on this one. I'm going to copy this big old list here and bring it on over to random. There we got our 100, which is sweet. There they are. Big list. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We did. We got an 11, so we're in great shape to battle. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Bill in the top spot for our first round. Jason 2. Alex takes round 3. Don 4. Scott takes round 5 and 6. David round 7. Jason on top in round 8. Alex takes round 9 with number 26. Jason again on top in our next to last round, round 10, what I believe was number 27, bringing us to the final round. Here we go, guys, and our winners are Scott, CJ, Scott, Jason, Scott, Matt, Scott, David, Chris, and Scott. There's the rest of them coming on down in a row. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. DD Gene. There it is. There's our victors. I'm done at 6:49. There you have it. Again, here's the winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.